Good afternoon, students. We were doing chapter 5 of Civics. Chapter 5, the rural government, right? The rural local government, which is Panchayati Raj. Which is Panchayati Raj. Okay. And this is from Civics. Civics. And this is part 2. Till now only I have 10 students. I don't know why other students are not joining. Let others come. Okay. So in our previous chapter, what we discussed? We discussed about the division of local government, right? So first of all, we understood that the government which we have is federal government. Which kind of government we have? Federal government. I explained in our previous class that federal government means if we have government working on more than one level. Okay. So we have government working on 3 levels. The central government, where we have prime minister. Then you have the state government, where the head is chief minister, executive head is chief minister. Then also we have the government on local level. Yes, we discussed. Now on local level, government is being divided into 2 parts. On local level, the government is again divided into 2 parts. Urban government, urban local government, and rural local government. Yes? Words are not visible properly. Okay, are you able to see the board? Everyone? Are you able to see the board? Class, please reply. So Dilkosh, now you are saying yes, not properly. Okay. Okay, just a minute. So we were discussing that we have the government on 3 levels, the central government, okay, then we have the government on state level, okay, on central level we have, then we have on state level, okay, and after this we have on local level, okay. So in local level, now it is divided into urban and rural. Urban means related to towns and rural means related to villages. Okay. Now, if you see in urban, you would have read about municipality or municipal corporation. You have read about municipal corporation. So this municipal corporation will come when we study about urban. So this is not our topic now. Our topic is the rural local government. So in rural local government we have Panchayati Raj. We have Panchayati Raj. Now when you see, we have already discussed about the division of Panchayati Raj. Okay. So in Panchayati Raj, what we have? We have Gram Panchayat, then we have Panchayat Samiti, then we have Jila Parishad. Okay. So, how will you understand this? It is Panchayati Raj is further divided into three parts. So, the first is Gram Panchayat. First is Gram Panchayat. Then you have Panchayat Samiti. Then you have the Jila Parishad. Okay. Then you have Jila Parishad. Okay. Now this Gram Panchayat is on village level. Then you have Panchayat Samiti on block level. Then you have Jila Parishad on district level. Okay. So this was the division we already discussed in our previous class. Okay. So I am just giving you a short introduction about this. So we were discussing about the Gram Panchayat. So this is the division which I explained. Is there any confusion in this division till now? Anyone is having any confusion in this division till now? We already discussed this in our previous class. As yesterday we were not having the class, I just giving a small introduction. So I will quickly start with our today's topic. Okay. Okay. So we will discuss about Gram Panchayat. We will discuss about Gram Panchayat. Now this Gram Panchayat is divided into three parts. Gram Panchayat is also divided into three parts. Okay. So it is divided into, first is Gram Sabha. First is Gram Sabha. The second is Gram Panchayat. The third one is the Nyaya Panchayat. Okay. I already explained that how these three functions. The same way our government on the state level also functions. Okay, in the same way. Now, if you see, we have parliament. Yes, we have parliament where discussion is being done. The MLAs, MPs, leaders go to parliament and they discuss. You would have seen in the news. In the news, you would have seen about that. Okay, that the leaders go to parliament and they discuss. Many of the incidents of parliament comes in news. So the same way, Gram Sabha. Gram means Gaon, village. Gram is a synonym of Hindi synonym of Gaon, village, right? So Gram means Gaon. Sabha means meeting. Sabha is a Hindi word and it means meeting. So Gram Sabha is a meeting where adult people meet who are actually eligible for giving vote. So who is eligible to give vote? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me who is eligible to give vote in India? Is there any active student sitting here? I want a quick answer. Quick. Be quick. It doesn't take 10 seconds to more than 10 seconds to type. Right, fast. So, who is eligible for voting? Tell me this. So, the people who are eligible to vote, Naitik has given answer 18 or above. The people having age of 18 or above. Very good, Naitik. So, if your age is 18 years or above, you are eligible to give vote. Yes. So, those people will come to Gram Sabha and they will discuss. Okay. We will one by one, step by step will go. So, first step is Gram Sabha, where the meeting is held, discussion takes place, like the discussion takes place in parliament. The same way the discussion takes place in Gram Sabha. In parliament, what happens? We have already read about democracy, no? In democracy, what happens? Do we all sit together and discuss? No. What we do? We elect our representative. We have discussed, no? We have representative form of democracy. India is having the population in billions. So, billions people can sit together and can they discuss? Do we have that opportunity? Can we have that? Not possible. So, we elect our representative and those representatives take decision on behalf of us, on our behalf. Yes? But in Gram Sabha, it is on the small level. Yes. So here they don't have representative. They themselves, all the people from the village, they sit together who are eligible to give vote and they directly discuss the things. Okay, they directly discuss the things. There is no representative. It is not that representative will be elected and he will only talk on your behalf. It is not like that in the Gram Sabha. Okay, in Gram Sabha, all the people of village, okay, who is there in that panchayat, they all will come, they all will sit, they all will discuss. Everyone can go and discuss. Okay. Now see, so we have Gram Sabha where meeting is being held, discussion happens like in parliament. Then we have Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is the body which actually is the executive body. Executive body means, we have made the rules. Okay? Rules has been made. Who will work on the rule? There should be some people, no? Who will work on the rule? Who will implement the rule? So the Gram Panchayat is the body who will implement the rule. Now if rule is there, it will also be broken by some people. There are some people who break the rules. Like, right? In class also, there are some students who will do something and they will get punishment. Some notorious kids are there, no, in class. So the same way, there are some people who will break the rules. For them, Nyaya Panchayat is there. Nyaya means justice. So, like we have court, Supreme Court, High Court, District Court. So, the same way we have Nyaya Panchayat. Understood? Gram Sabha meeting will be held, discussion will be done. Gram Panchayat will execute, it will implement. If someone breaks the rule, they will, the Nyaya Panchayat will handle it. Till here, any confusion, anyone? Anyone is having any confusion till now? Please ask. Otherwise, I will go ahead with the topic. No questions? Be quick when I am asking question. Please reply fast. If you have questions or not. Okay? Be quick to reply. In Gram Panchayat, what have you not understood, Dilkush? In Gram Panchayat, we have 3 divisions. Okay? Gram Panchayat is divided into 3 levels. Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Nyaya Panchayat. Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Nyaya Panchayat. Okay? So we will first discuss about Gram Sabha. Okay. So Gram Sabha, if we say, I already told. Okay, I am going to tell you a basic thing which everyone would be knowing. But still, I want to tell you, if anyone is confused, we have our country, right? We have our country. What is the name of our country? Be quick. What is the name of our country? Be quick to answer. India. Okay, Divyanshi has given answer, Dilkush has given answer, Pratham has given answer, Naitik. Yes, that is how you need to answer. No, you have to answer. Otherwise, if you will not participate, how I will know that you are understanding? So India is our country, correct? So country is divided into many states. Country is divided into many states. How many states we have? 28 states. So country is divided into states. We have 28 states. Then it is further divided into district. Now, if this is a country, many of the states will be there. Yes. Many states will be there. Okay. In these states, many districts will be there. Correct? Many districts will be there. Now in this district, many villages will be there. Okay? In district, many villages will be there. Till here, everyone understand? Okay. Now if you see, in villages, you will have Gram Panchayat. In villages, you will have Gram Panchayat, which is the rural local government. Okay. So we will have Gram Panchayat. Okay. Now in Gram Panchayat, we discuss what is the first division of Gram Panchayat. First is Gram Sabha. Okay. Now if we see this Gram Panchayat, it is not compulsory that in every village you will have Gram Panchayat. If village is very big, okay, if one village is there which is having a large population, it is big village, then only one village can be there in one Gram Panchayat. In one Panchayat, you can have one big village also, okay? Or if there are small villages, it can be like 2-3 villages can be combined and it can have one Gram Panchayat. Understood? It can also have few villages which is combined together. Okay? So under one Gram Panchayat, you can have one big village also, because in Panchayat you need to do Gram Sabha, no? You need to do meeting, no? So in meeting what will happen? If a big village is there, 2000 people are there, so it will be very difficult to do Gram Sabha and all. It will be very difficult to for large population to come and sit and discuss together. Okay, so if there is a big village having large population, it can make one panchayat. Or if there are small villages having very less population, can be combined and one panchayat can be made. Okay, so if you see under one panchayat, there can be one big village or few small villages can be combined. Okay, anyone, any questions till now? Is there any question till now? Okay. Now, who will come to this now Gram Sabha? So Gram Sabha is meeting of all adults, of a panchayat. Okay. Now, Gram Sabha is there where the adult people who are eligible for vote, who are eligible for giving vote. So, who is eligible for giving vote? So, the people having 18 years of age or above, they can just go and attend the Gram Sabha. Okay? Not any Gram Sabha. Eligible means yogya. Anshika has asked what is the meaning of eligible? Eligible means yogya. Okay? If you fulfill the criteria or not. Okay? So, Gram Sabha is the meeting of all adults of a panchayat. And all adults means the people who are actually eligible to give vote. And who are eligible to give vote? The people having 18 years of age or above. They are eligible to give vote. Their name will be in voter list and they can go to the Gram Sabha panchayat. Gram Sabha. Now, which Gram Sabha you will go? If I belong to, suppose take any of the name, like Shivpur is a village. Okay, Shivpur is a village, and also you have any other village like Kajra, Kajra. Okay, so these two are the village, and both are big villages having large population. Okay, these both are big villages. They are having large population, so they are having different panchayat. Okay, they are having different panchayat. So if I am from Kajra, I will go to my panchayat, my Gram Sabha. I will attend my Gram Sabha. Okay. I cannot go to Shivpur, Gram Sabha of Shivpur and keep my problem. Okay. If I belong to, suppose, I belong to some specific village, I can keep my problems in front of that the panchayat which belong to that village. Till here everyone understood? Any questions till now? Okay. Now, these Gram Sabha are organized at least twice a year. Organized at least twice a year. That means 2 times in a year. Okay. This Gram Sabha discussion takes place at least twice in a year. And what will they discuss? When they will meet in the Gram Sabha, if all the people will meet in the Gram Sabha, what will they discuss? What you discuss during class? Some of you are discussing Doraemon and all, but they don't discuss like that. They discuss their problems. They discuss their problems. discuss, and also they resolve that. Also that will be resolved. The some sort of solution will be done for those problems. Very good. Natik Raj has given answer. Yes, they will discuss problems and also they will seek for the resolution, right? Solution for that problem. Okay. So this thing happens in the Grama Sabha. Okay. Now see, we discussed that we have a country. Then this country is divided into states. State is further divided into district. In one district there are many villages. Okay, like this we have. Now this villages, the villages will be further. Suppose this is a village. Now this village will be divided into wards. It will be divided into wards. Have you heard about wards? So the villages will be further divided into wards. Okay. So now the question is, we have meeting. Who will preside this meeting? Who are going to attend that? That we know. The villagers will go and attend that meeting. Okay. Suppose if you are students, if you are coming to class, you are attending the class. But who will preside the class? Who will control the class? Obviously, teacher will control the class. So if teacher will be not there, what students will come and do? If the head will be not there, if anyone will be not there to control that meeting, to preside that meeting, what villagers will do? To whom they will discuss? The villagers will discuss their problems, but with whom? So there we have the so there what we have? There we have a panchayat head. There we have a panchayat head. Do you know who is that panchayat head? Can anyone guess? Who is panchayat head? We have a panchayat head. Okay, someone has given answer. Natik has given answer. Sarpanch. Very good, Natik. So we have a sarpanch who is the panchayat head. Sarpanch is also called panchayat president. Panchayat president. Okay. So the head of that Gram Sabha will be Sarpanch. Panchayat head. Okay. Also we will have the Panch. Also we will have the Panch. Panch means, you know what is the meaning of Panch? Panch is a Hindi word. Panch means Panch, 5. Panch means 5. So we will have 5 more members as the 5 more members who will also act as judge. Okay, whatever decision will be there, they will discuss on that. Okay, so the head of the Gram Sabha will be the panchayat head, and there will be a panchayat head. So panchayat head is sarpanch, who is also called panchayat president. Okay, then under this you have the panch. Okay, They are the 5 members who also act like judge. You could have seen in old movies. If you go through some old movies, I don't know, today kids don't like old movies. But if you will see any of the old movies, you will find sarpanch, panch, these things will come. Okay. Today I don't see these things in the movie. Okay. So I have seen, okay, Dilkush has seen some old movie and he knows, he has heard this term, Panch and Sarpanch. Okay, and this area is also a village only. So you would be knowing about Panch and Sarpanch. You would have heard. Okay, so the Panchayat head will be the Sarpanch, Panchayat president, who will preside the meeting, control the meeting, and the Panch are the 5 members of the Panchayat who actually acts like judge. Okay, they control, they also discuss, they also take decisions, they give their decisions on that. Okay, now how a person is elected Sarpanch or Panch? How will he become Panch or Sarpanch? Anyone can go and then everyone will fight. I will be the Panch, I will be the Panch. Everyone will fight, no? Yes? So, these Panch and Sarpanch are elected. Elections are held for this on village level. Okay? Now, I told you that villages are divided into wards. Villages are divided into small areas, wards. Now, each representative, that means this Panch and Sarpanch, they will stand from different places. Okay, they will stand in election. Okay, and from different wards. Suppose here one candidate is there. Here is the second candidate. Here is the third candidate. Here is the fourth candidate. Like if you see here we have Astharani, then we have Nati standing for election, then we have Saurabh standing for election. Okay, and then we have Anshika standing for election. So we have the 4 people standing for election. Okay. So like this, now other class members, they will give vote to them. Some will give vote to Astharani, some will give to Nati, some will give to Saurabh, some will give to Ansika, like we did in the monitor selection. Okay. So we did in the monitor selection,